So as Select ShingleMasters with CertainTeed, we are using all ShingleMaster approved CertainTeed products for this project here in Issaquah. It is very important that everything that we use is according to specification, and we're going to walk you through some of the materials that we're using.
All right, here we have our roof runner. This is our main synthetic underlayment. We do use it in compatibility with the ice and water, but this is the main underlayment for the roof surface. This here we have our winter guard ice and water. It is a CertainTeed product. We use it in conjunction with the roof runner. We put this on all eaves, valleys, and penetrations to ensure a watertight seal.
So the shingles we're using on this project are CertainTeed Northgate Climate Flex, and the color is Heather Blend. Cool thing about these shingles is a modified SBS, which means it's a rubberized shingle. It flexes a lot easier than your standard asphalt shingle. It doesn't snap, it's not as brittle, it withstands hail better, and overall it's just a great choice for asphalt shingle. Another great thing about this shingle and about hiring Orca Roofing is as a Select ShingleMaster for CertainTeed, it means that all of these roofs that you see here are warranted up to 50 years on the labor and the materials and 25 years as a commercial project with the workmanship. So this is some EPS foam, otherwise known as fan fold. It's not a product that we are using on the project per se, but it is great for using as protection. So as you can see right up here, there are a number of standing seam metal roofs on the project that we are not replacing. We are excellent at standing seam metal, but on this project they chose to leave them. So what we're doing is we're taking this EPS, we're taping it over top before the project starts, and then when we finish a building, we remove it, and that keeps those standing seam metal roofs in great shape.
All of the buildings on this project had some ventilation issues and wanted an upgrade to have better airflow through the attic. So on this project, we changed some things up. We're using these Vulcan vents to add some more airflow at the eaves, basically to ensure air can actually enter the roof system in combination with baffles. The purpose of these is to ensure that any air coming through the vent actually travels through over the insulation. This blocks the insulation out to where the air has a full path of travel to the ridge, and in turn we add the ridge vent after cutting in a 2-inch cut on each side of the ridge. This then gets placed on top to ensure nothing can block, it can breathe, and you should have a pure cycle of air through the attic system.
Oh, as part of this project scope, we are removing all the existing OSB roof decking and we're replacing it with all new CDX plywood. What we had done was PuroClean took all of these sheets of plywood, over 4,000 sheets. They sprayed one side of it with a mold resistant spray, and we are applying this face down. So where the X is face down. All of our roofing crews are taking this plywood, installing it, and on top of all this increased ventilation that this project is going to have, it has all new treated CDX plywood.